Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. When you judge others, you do not define them, you define yourself. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. We will not receive not what we idly wish for, but what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. The mind moves in the direction of our currently dominant thoughts. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Work never killed anyone. It's worry that does the damage, and the worry would disappear if we just settle down and do the work. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Wherever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. The key that unlocks energy is desire. It's also the key to a long and interesting life. If we expect to create any drive, any real force within ourselves, we have to get excited. There is a time when one must decide either to risk everything to fulfill one's dreams or sit for the rest of one's life in the backyard. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. Everything begins with an idea. Your problem is to bridge the gap which exists between where you are now and the goal you intend to reach. People with goals succeed because they know where they are going. You can measure opportunity with the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. They go together. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. There is no success without suffering. I think that the word suffering was meant to mean tremendous effort and direction. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere till you change it. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Always keep that happy attitude. Pretend that you are holding a beautiful, fragrant bouquet. Perseverance is another word for faith. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. What happens inside always appears outside. It is in the expectations of happiness that much of happiness is found, and it takes courage to expect happiness. I'm grateful for the opportunity to live on this beautiful and astonishing planet Earth. In the morning, I wake up with a sense of gratitude.